Hi everyone. In this video, I want to share the Java very basic interview questions which are asked to my friends in their previous interviews. So I picked the top 6 questions which are very frequently asked. So from these questions, there may be a chance of getting at least one questions for your interviews. So please prepare these questions and remind the answers in your mind whenever you are attending the interviews. So in this session, I don't give any detailed explanation for the questions. I simply read those answers which I have prepared. So if you have any detailed explanation, please comment below. Let us see the questions. First question is, what is Java and why it is popular for software development? Second question, describe the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM. And third question, what is the main difference between primitive data types and reference data types in Java? I explain the difference between abstract classes and interfaces in Java. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? And last question is, what is variable and how to declare and initialize the variables in Java? So let us see the first question. What is Java and why it is popular for the software development? So see the answer. Like, Java is the one of the most popular programming language in the current market, and it is class based, object oriented, high level, robust and secure programming language. Java is a general purpose programming language made for developers to write. Once run anywhere, that is, compiled Java code can run on all the platforms that support Java. In addition with, we have to say some features and uses of Java, like it is open source and free, it has a huge community support, and it is used in mobile applications, desktop applications and web applications. Okay, let us see the second question. Describe the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM. It is also one of the most important question. Okay, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development kit that helps in the development of applications in Java. Along with JRE, the JDK includes other various development tools like Javac and JavaP, etc. JDK is a platform dependent. For each operating system like Linux, Windows and Macs, etc., users are required to install a different JDK. Like for each OS, they require a separate JDK according to the versions operating systems they are using. Coming to the JRE, it is Java Runtime Environment. It is a kind of software package that provides Java class libraries with JVM. Moreover, it includes other components for running the Java applications. It contains the various supporting files for JVM and class libraries that help JVM to run the program. Yeah. So JRE is actually consists of the packages which are necessary to run the Java program in the JVM. Yes. So all the inbuilt libraries are insisted in the JRE. Next question, JVM. JVM is of a combination of a class loader, runtime areas, execution engine and native libraries. These all are present in JVM. It is a platform independent abstract machine with a loader, runtime data and execution engine. It is also known as Java interpreter. JVM particularly does not consist of any tools for software development. Yeah, JVM is a platform independent. For each OS there may be a separate Java virtual machines. So these are the main differences of JDK, JRE and JVM. Let us see the next question. What is the main difference between primitive data types and reference data types or non-primitive data types? Yeah, there are many differences between primitive and non-primitive data types in Java. I have listed the topmost options here. When come to primitive data type, it is a predefined in Java. When non-primitive, it is a non-predefined except the string. It cannot be null, it always has a value. It can be null. Examples of primitive data types are like int, float, double, boolean, long, etc. And examples of non-primitive are class, array, strings, interfaces, etc. When come to primitive, it depends on its size depends. Its size is depends on the data type. And non-primitive means the JVM allocates 8 bits for each reference variable by default. We cannot invoke the method with a primitive type. Okay, it is used to invoke or call the methods. The size of the primitive type depends upon the data type. Non-primitive types has all the same size. All primitive type begins with lowercase letters. All non-primitive types begins with uppercase letters. Okay, let us see the next question. What are abstract classes and interfaces in Java? Abstract class. A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods, method with body or concrete methods. It cannot be instantiated directly, meaning you cannot create objects directly from the abstract class. Interface. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. There can be only abstract methods in Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. Yeah. These are the top points for abstract class and interfaces we have to say to the interviewer. If they ask in deep about this concept, we have to elaborate some more points in addition with these points about these abstract class and interfaces in Java. If they ask normal definitions, these points are quite enough to answer the question. So let's see the next question. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? This is also important question from polymorphism concept. Method overloading allows different methods to have the same name but different signatures, where the signature can be differ by number of input parameters or type of input parameters or mixed of both. Another definition is, it is a type of approach in polymorphism where a class has multiple methods having same name but different in parameters. It is known as method overloading. Method overloading in Java is also known as compile time polymorphism, static polymorphism, or early binding. Okay, method overriding. It is a subclass or a child class to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of its superclasses or parent classes. It is known as method overriding. Whenever a method in the child class has the same name, the same parameters or signature, and the same return type as a method in its superclass or parent class, then the method in the child class is set to override the method in the superclass. This kind of approach is known as method overriding. Method overriding in Java is also known as runtime polymorphism, dynamic polymorphism, or late binding. Yeah, this definition is for understanding purpose. If you want to keep it simple, then the first definition is enough. So let us see next question. What is variable and how to declare and initialize the variables in Java? This is the basic question everyone knows, but see. Variables are the data containers that save the data values during the Java program execution. Every variable in Java is assigned a data type that designates the type and quality of value it can hold. A variable is a memory location name for the data. The basic things to declare a variable in the program are a data type, variable name, initial value. Data type means it represents the type of the value variable, like int, float, string, character, like this. Variable means we prefer to declare the small and understandable unique variable names. Initial value. It is the initial value stored in the variable. Yeah, these are the basic questions I have gathered from various sources. So if you like this, I will make another video of part 2 as a some more important questions related to Java. Yeah, if you have any queries, any detailed explanation, please comment below. Thank you.